Setting goals for beginner artists, part 2. I've done a similar video before with 5 other goals you can set to help yourself improve as a beginner artist. The link will be in the icon above you, or you could just check my channel. So why even set goals? Well, it'll help you stay motivated, focused, and help with the tracking of your progress as you continue to learn and get better at art. Damn, it can't be that simple. Starting off with seeking constructive feedback. It's a valuable practice. Share your work with fellow artists and art communities online and ask for constructive criticism. Feedback can provide fresh perspectives, help you identify areas for improvement, and accelerate your artistic development. There's a rule I heard a long time ago from my lead that said, if you've been stuck for 30 minutes, just ask. Don't let your ego get in the way of learning. There's tons of experienced artists out there that would love to help you and see you grow. Even a fresh pair of eyes can help spark a new or better idea. But I will also say, don't take everyone's criticism and feedback. Some people just have dog shit takes, and that's just up to you to figure out how to avoid. Moving on to the next one. Studying the works of other artists is an excellent source of inspiration. Analyze their techniques, compositions, and style to broaden your artistic understanding. This exploration will help you find your own artistic voice. I'll save a bunch of artists and their works and dedicate a whole day to just drawing and copying their techniques. Picking up subtle things I like and imitating them so I can use them and organically fuse them into my own style. Draw from the people you're inspired by. Engaging in art challenges and competitions can be a great way to push yourself and gain exposure. Participating in these challenges or entering local competitions to motivate yourself to create new pieces and measure your progress against others. Some healthy competition goes a long way. An example of these art challenges could be draw it in my own style. They're great because maybe you never draw a sort of character like that, or even use the same types of colors. This will open up a whole new world for you to explore. Consider taking art classes or workshops to learn from experienced instructors. Whether it's in person or through online courses, structured learning environments provide guidance and valuable feedback to help grow you as an artist. I have a bunch of courses I've downloaded from artists that I look up to and really admire their style. These are generally the times I grow the most because following along and doing assignments forces you to apply what you've been learning. Lastly, always remember to enjoy the process and embrace mistakes. Art is a journey, and making mistakes is a natural part of growth. Focus on personal growth rather than comparing yourself to others, which I know is hard with social media, but changing your mindset to I can learn from them will help you along the way. Experiment, have fun, and celebrate your progress along the way. And that's all for today's video on setting goals for beginner artists. I hope you found these tips useful and helpful in guiding your artistic journey. Remember, be patient with yourself, stay motivated, and keep creating. If you enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. That's enough of me yapping. See you in the next one.